Here we go, guys, unboxing the Gardena robotic lawnmower. So this is the city version. Just got it yesterday. Let's open up this box. So you see, these are the measuring tools right here. You just pop these out. So this is what you're gonna use to measure your line. So this is the distance between any objects, and the boundary wire you're gonna put down. This is what you use, and it comes with two of them. Also comes with this one. So these are the stakes you use to clip the wires to the ground. Product key. This right here. This is your power cord. Some more stakes. So this bag right here, these are the stakes you use to mount the base to the ground. And these are your cables to connect the base platform to the electricity. So here we go, this is the lawnmower. It's very neat, really nice. These are the blades. Put this down. This is your boundary wire. This is the platform. This is the platform connection. And this is your base platform. So, here you go. Let me know if you guys want a separate video on how I did the actual setup. and I could give you guys a detailed breakdown. Thank you.